Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts using your CapCut on your PC. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and import your project, or you can also use the existing project on CapCut. But if you want to import your media, you can click on this import icon right here and select the video that you want to use. Then drag it onto the timeline. Remember that your short must be under 3 minutes, which is 180 seconds, and it must be in a vertical portrait format. So change the video ratio to vertical. In order to do that, you need to go ahead and click on this ratio icon right here, which is indicating aspect ratio, which is between the option of zoom and a full screen. Go ahead and select it. Now select the option of 9:16. Resize and position as well. Click on your video clip and use the corner points to resize it according to your preference. Alternatively, you can also go to the video tab in the top, then go to basic, and then after increase the scale to fill the blank space. You can also click and drag the preview to adjust the video's position as well. And you can add a blurred background if you want. And you can choose a specific part of the video that you want to use for your short. CapCut offers many editing options in the top left, including overlays, text, effect, transitions, and all. And once you're finished editing, click on export in the top right corner of the screen. Name your video, select the resolution, also select the folder where you want to export this specific video. And then after, click on export. You also have the option to export it in Ultra HD format. When the video is saved to your desktop or laptop, you can share it now on TikTok or YouTube directly. Let's go ahead and select YouTube, click on share. And the YouTube video that you just created on CapCut PC will be uploaded to your YouTube account. You can also click on the edit video option and then complete the video details as you normally would, and you'll see that it's recognized as a short video by the link. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.